Hey everyone, before you hit that skip button, let me ask you something. Are you literally paying bots to click your ads right now? Seriously, think about it for a second because chances are a huge chunk of your ad budget is getting stolen by fake traffic and you don't even know it. Today I'm reviewing Opticks, a tool that can actually show you where your money is being wasted and help you stop bleeding cash on fraudulent clicks. Make sure you check the description or the first comment below for the link to grab this deal before it disappears. And if you want me to create a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to set this up and use it, just drop a comment down below and let me know. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow this channel because I'm constantly reviewing tools that can help you save money and scale your business. Alright, let's dive into what Opticks actually is and why you should care. Opticks is an ad fraud detection and prevention platform that monitors your marketing campaigns across all channels to identify fake clicks, bot traffic, and other types of invalid traffic that are draining your advertising budget. The platform has helped over 6,000 clients save more than 6 million euros by detecting and blocking fraudulent activity before it wastes their money. Here's the thing, ad fraud is not some small problem that only big companies face. It's happening to everyone running paid ads right now. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, or any other paid traffic source, bots and fake clicks are stealing your budget. The crazy part is that most marketers have no idea this is even happening because these fraudulent clicks look exactly like real traffic in your analytics, so you think your campaigns are performing poorly when in reality you're just paying for fake clicks from bots, click farms, and VPN users trying to game the system. Optics can detect up to 30 different types of invalid traffic, including bot traffic, VPN and data center traffic, device tampering, geomasking, click spamming, pixel stuffing, and even clickjacking. That's way more comprehensive than just blocking a few suspicious IP addresses manually. The platform uses proprietary algorithms combined with machine learning technology that constantly evolves to stay ahead of new fraud techniques. This means as fraudsters come up with new ways to fake traffic, Optics is already learning and adapting to catch them. Let me break down how Optics actually works because it's pretty straightforward. First, you install their sensor on your website or connect it to your advertising platforms, and this sensor collects telemetry data about every single visit in a way that's completely GDPR compliant. Then their algorithms analyze this data in real time, using advanced detection technology to determine whether each visitor is legitimate or fraudulent. Based on the results and your settings, Optics automatically activates prevention mechanisms like blocking traffic, preventing postbacks, or blacklisting audiences. Finally, you get detailed dashboards and reports that show you exactly where the fraud is coming from, broken down by channel, your parameters, domains, devices, browsers, and even timestamps. This intelligence is incredibly valuable because it doesn't just tell you that fraud exists, it tells you exactly where it's happening so you can optimize your ad spend. One of the best features is the cross-channel detection capability because Optics doesn't just protect one advertising platform, it protects all of them. Whether you're running campaigns on Google Ads, Facebook Ads Manager, Instagram, Microsoft Ads, TikTok, or any other channel, Optics monitors everything from one central dashboard. This is huge because most fraud detection tools only work with one or two platforms, but Optics gives you complete coverage. The platform also provides full funnel protection, meaning it detects fraud at every stage of your advertising funnel from the initial ad view all the way through clicks, leads, and attribution. Many solutions only protect you at certain points like just blocking bad clicks, but Optics catches fraud whether it happens at the impression level, the click level, or even when someone submits a fake lead. Another powerful feature is the advanced fraud intelligence and visualization that lets you dig deep into your data to understand exactly how and where fraud is impacting your campaigns. You can see fraud by origin to identify which channels and partners are sending you bad traffic. You can analyze fraud by vehicle to see which devices and browsers are being used for fraudulent activity, and you can break down fraud by geography and timestamp to spot patterns and trends. For Google Ads users, Opticks has integrated set up and automated IP exclusion lists that make it super easy to block fraudulent traffic directly within your Google Ads account. This automation saves you tons of time because you don't have to manually update exclusion lists every day. Opticks also offers real-time postback prevention, which is critical if you're working with affiliate networks or buying traffic from third-party sources. This feature prevents fraudulent conversions from being reported back to your traffic sources so you don't pay for fake leads. The lead scoring feature is another game changer because it assigns quality scores to your leads based on their likelihood of being legitimate. This helps you prioritize follow-up on high-quality leads and avoid wasting time on fake ones. You can also create user-defined anti-fraud rules to customize how Opticks handles different types of traffic based on your specific business needs. The platform gives you full API access so you can integrate Opticks data into your own systems and workflows if you're running more advanced operations. Now let's talk about who this tool is best for because not everyone needs an ad fraud detection solution. Opticks is perfect for marketers who are spending significant money on paid advertising and want to make sure every dollar is working for them. It's also ideal for marketing agencies managing multiple client campaigns because you can monitor fraud across all accounts from one dashboard. Small businesses that are running paid ads but don't have huge budgets will benefit massively because even saving 10 to 15% of ad spend can make a huge difference. If you're running lead generation campaigns, e-commerce stores with paid traffic, or affiliate marketing campaigns, Opticks can help you identify which traffic sources are worth your investment. Let me give you some real-world examples of how businesses are using Opticks to save money and improve performance. One user mentioned that after implementing Opticks, they realized about 10% of their incoming traffic costs were being wasted on fraudulent clicks. By identifying and blocking this bad traffic, they were able to reallocate that budget to better performing channels and improve their overall return on ad spend. Another user highlighted that Opticks helped them understand which campaigns were bringing in real revenue versus which ones were just generating fake engagement. The detailed and visual analytics made decision making much easier because they could clearly see where the problems were. Several reviews mentioned that while the initial setup might require some technical help, Opticks provides full support to get you up and running. Once it's configured, the platform runs automatically in the background, constantly monitoring and protecting your campaigns without you having to do anything. Users also praised the reliability of the detection, saying they never had a report that was later proven to be incorrect. The accuracy of Opticks fraud detection is one of its strongest points because false positives can be just as damaging as missing actual fraud. Now, what about pricing? Because that's always the big question when evaluating new tools. Normally, Opticks is a subscription-based service that would cost you ongoing monthly fees depending on your traffic volume and features needed. But right now on AppSumo, you can get lifetime access to Opticks, which means you pay once and use it forever. This is an incredible deal because you're eliminating the recurring cost while still getting access to a powerful fraud detection platform. The lifetime deal comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free and see if it actually saves you money. It's also covered by AppSumo's We Got Your Back guarantee, which adds an extra layer of protection for your purchase. For most marketers and agencies, the amount of money you'll save by eliminating fraudulent traffic will pay for this tool many times over. If you're spending even a few $1,000s per month on ads and 10% of that is fraud, you're losing hundreds of dollars every single month. Opticks can help you identify that waste and redirect it to campaigns and channels that actually convert. Let me quickly address some potential concerns you might have about using a tool like this. Some people worry that fraud detection tools might accidentally block legitimate traffic and hurt their campaigns. Opticks uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to minimize false positives and ensure that real users aren't being blocked. The platform gives you full control over your settings, so you can adjust sensitivity levels based on your comfort level. Another concern is whether the setup is too complicated for non-technical users. While having someone with technical knowledge can help with the initial integration, Optic's support team provides assistance throughout the process. Once it's set up, the interface is user-friendly and visual, making it easy to understand your data without being a data scientist. Some marketers might think that their ad platforms like Google and Facebook already have fraud protection built in. While that's partially true, platform level fraud detection is often not comprehensive enough and misses many types of invalid traffic. Using a third party solution like Opticks gives you an independent and more thorough layer of protection that catches what the platforms miss. So here's the bottom line. If you're running paid advertising campaigns and you're not actively monitoring for fraud, you're almost certainly wasting money. Optics gives you the visibility and control you need to stop paying for fake traffic and maximize your return on ad spend. The lifetime deal on AppSumo makes this an absolute no-brainer investment for anyone serious about optimizing their marketing budget. Remember to check the description or first comment below for the link to grab this deal. If you found this review helpful and you want a complete tutorial showing you exactly how to set up Opticks and configure it for your campaigns, drop a comment and let me know. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more reviews of marketing tools, software deals, and strategies that can help you grow your business profitably. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.